Hare Krishna. Welcome to Sri Radha Krishna Center, ISKCON Virar West, Global City, G12 101. Why to learn Bhagavad Gita? Simply because the lifestyle or the way of life which we are living, which we feel that it's the right way to live the life with right objectives of the life. We feel that the standard of living, increasing the standard of living, increasing the goals of life for a better lifestyle and a better standard of living, having the objectives to attain success. These are some of the objectives which we feel are of the life, which we feel that we should achieve. We always measure achievements in the terms of money and in the terms of success. That's exactly our life goes wrong. That's exactly what mistake we commit. And for your knowledge, I am Vinayak Badve. I have done computer engineering, and my wife Sandhya Badve, she is an electronics engineer. In spite of being so much of educated, if I am speaking in terms of relating to the knowledge of mythology or spiritual knowledge, I am practically educated at least to understand what is right and what is wrong. After reading Srimad Bhagavad Gita, what I have found is the lifestyle or the living the way of life and what is told in Bhagavad Gita or what is instructed by Krishna in Bhagavad Gita is totally different. My objectives are of life and the objectives which have been told in Srimad Bhagavad Gita are totally different. After reading Bhagavad Gita, I have understood that when I am going wrong and why I am facing problems and grief in my life, why I am not being successful, what are the hindrances I am facing, what are the problems I am facing in between me and my success. Is it the right way to achieve success? Am I having the right objectives of achieving success? The basic of life or basic knowledge of how to live the life, if that goes wrong, the objectives of life, if that goes wrong, whatever efforts we take will automatically go wrong. That one has to understand. If I want to attain a particular objective, if I want to be a good medical practitioner, I want to have an education of MBBS, then I can have or become a good medical practitioner, and I can become a doctor, and then I can treat patients nicely. But this is possible only if I do MBBS or MD or something in the medical field. But instead of doing that, I am busy doing BCom or MBA, then I cannot become a medical practitioner or a doctor. What till now we are doing is, we are trying to achieve all the objectives, we are trying to achieve success without the basic knowledge of living the life. We don't have basic knowledge of way of living the life. We don't have basic knowledge of what our objectives should be. It is something we have decided by our own mental speculation, by our own intelligence. Yeah, this is my objective. A poor person is having an objective of 2 chapatis per day, 1 bread per day, or say for his livelihood, daily livelihood, minimum necessities. A middle class person is having an ambition of increasing his standard of living. A higher class person is having an ambition of getting more higher class or getting more rich. So the people who are in their current position, they try to always progress in those fields where it has nothing to do with our life. That is where we go wrong. So what I suggest, I can say for myself, I am having good knowledge of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. It's because of Lord Krishna's mercy, my Guru Maharaj's mercy. I have attained such a knowledge of Bhagavad Gita that at least I can somewhat guide people who are living like a vagabond life. I don't say about practical objectives. I am speaking about spiritual objectives. Trying to achieve practical objectives, is it the right way, or trying to achieve spiritual objectives, that is the right way? Which is the right way? That I have very much understood through Bhagavad Gita. So my dear friends, brothers and sisters, what I will suggest as a humble servant of Lord Krishna, please try to understand Srimad Bhagavad Gita and try to understand what are the problems or what are the mistakes which we are doing in living the life. Only then we will be able to understand why we should learn Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Srimad Bhagavad Gita is actually a certificate course, no problem. But then because of this, are you going to get a job or something like that? No, it's not like that. But it will definitely give you that much knowledge that you will try to understand the clear objectives of your life. You will be able to differentiate between what is right and what is wrong. You will be able to understand what the thing I should do it now and what I should do it for later. You will try to understand what I am teaching to my children, whether that is right or wrong. Whether my achievements or my success is really a great achievement or something other thing I should have achieved instead of this. If these differences, if these mistakes, you will be able to understand, I assure you, you will have a quality life, a quality happiness. And this divine happiness will always help you in every point of life, even if you are having a grief, a sorrow, or even if you are in a happy mood. Still, this divine happiness is something above the grief and normal happiness. So what I am trying to give you is a divine happiness. Understanding this, please try to take the taste of something better and then check out whether really you find this taste much better than what normally you are eating, or whether you are finding the original, the life you are living now is okay with you. Okay, some people find it, I don't want anything extra. What I want is, I want a simple life, whether spirituality is not my cup of tea. Well, it is not your cup of tea, but the cup of tea which you are drinking is because of your spirituality. If that you can want to understand, please join Srimad Bhagavad Gita course in Radha Krishna Center, ISKCON Virar West, Global City, G12101. And I am again praying to Lord Krishna to give you His blessings to you. I pray Lord Krishna to bless you with a spiritual, correct and the right way of doing life or living a life. You get the knowledge of divine happiness, get the knowledge of how the lifestyle should be, get the knowledge of what should be your objectives of your life, and all these things. Much more yet to come. Chant Hare Krishna and be happy. I, Vinayak Badwe, log out from this. Hare Krishna.